Hello children, welcome to the lesson number 6 multiplying two fractions of chapter 4 fractions. In the first example we have Mrs. Tan who bought a large pizza. She kept half of the large pizza and ate 1/4 of the pizza she kept. What fraction of the large pizza did she eat? So Mrs. Tan ate 1/4 of half of the large pizza. In order to find out the portion she ate, we have to multiply 1/4 and half with each other. So as a result, we have 1/8. So Mrs. Tan ate 1/8 of the large pizza. In order to find the value of half into 1/4, there is another technique, which is with the help of the paper. First, you need to fold the paper into 4 equal parts and then shade one part. Now, further, you have to fold this paper vertically, as previously 1/4 of the paper is shaded. Now, when you fold the paper vertically into half again, and then outline the half of the shaded part, so you will see that once you open the paper, that 1/8 part of the total paper is highlighted and outlined, which represent the exact same answer which we have find out with the help of the multiplication. So Mrs. Tan ate 1/8 of the whole pizza. In question number 3, we have what is 2/5 of 1/6, and we have to express our answer in a simplest form. With the method 1, we are going to simply multiply 2/5 and 1/6 with each other. Remember, in the multiplication of fractions, numerator always multiply with the numerator and denominator always multiplied with the denominator. So here we have 2 multiplied by 1, which is in the numerator, and 5 multiplied by 6, which is in the denominator. So we have 2/30, because 5 into 6 is 30 and 2 into 1 is 1. Now further reducing, as we know that 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 15 is 30, we have 1/15 as an answer in a simplest form. Now in method 2, what we do is we perform a cross cancellation. In the multiplication of fraction, we can cancel out the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of another fraction. Here, if we can see the question, we have 2/5 multiplied by 1/6, and we can see that 2 and 6 can cancel out with each other. So we cancel 2 and 6, and now we have 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 3 is 6. So we have in the numerator 1 multiplied by 1, which is 1, and in denominator we have 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15 again, and the answer is the same as with the method 1. Now in question number 4, we have the diagram which shows 3/2, and we have to find out half of 3/2. We have divided the diagram into 2 equal parts. 2/2 and 1/2 are collectively 3/2, because 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and 2, as we know that if we take an LCM, so we add up the numbers in the numerator and the denominator comes as it is. So 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 2. So 2/2 and 1/2 represents 3/2 collectively. Now we have to find out the half of 3/2, so we have shaded the half portion of both the diagrams. Now we have moved all the shaded part in the one diagram and left the other diagram with the non-shaded parts. So if we represent the first diagram, it represents it as 3/4, because there are 3 parts shaded out of 4 parts, and the other diagram will cancel out each other because it becomes whole. There are no shaded part in it. So 3/4 is our answer, and if we directly multiply 1/2 by 3/2, we still have the same answer. 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4, so 3/4 is our answer. In question number 5, we have to find the value of 3 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 3, and we have to express our answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. So here, first we multiply 3 by 5 in the numerator. We have 15 as an answer, and when we multiply 4 by 3, so we have 12 in the denominator. Before performing the division, we have further cancelled out these values, as we know that 3 into 5 is 15 and 3 into 4 is 12. Now we have divided 5 by 4, and we know that 4 into 1 is 4, so we have 1 as a remainder, and our answer will be one whole number 1 over 4, which is equivalent to 5 over 4. Now in question number 6, we have what is 9 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 4. Again, first we multiply numerator with the numerator, so we have 5 into 9, which is equivalent to 45, and then in denominator we have 5 into 4, which is equals to 20. Now you can reduce it further, because 5 into 9 is 45 and 5 into 4 is 20. So we have 9 over 4, and if we divide 9 by 4, we have 1 as a remainder, because 4 into 2 is 8 and 1 is a remainder. So we have 2 whole number 1 over 4 as our answer. Now in question 7, we have to find the product of 3 over 2 and 7 over 6. The multiplication is also referred to as a product, so don't confuse with the terminologies. So here again we have to perform the multiplication. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by 7 over 6. First we have multiplied 3 and 7. So we have 21 in the numerator. And then we multiply 2 and 6 with each other. So we have 12 in the denominator. And further reducing with the help of the table of 3, we know that 7 into 7 is 21 and 3 into 4 is 12, so we cancel out this fraction with 3, and now we have 7 over 4, and by dividing 7 by 4 we have one whole number 3 over 4, because 4 into 1 is 4 and 3 comes in the remainder, so we have one whole number 3 over 4. Now we have practice questions, which is the last part of the video. So we have question number 1, which says what is 3 over 8 or 4 over 5? With the help of the multiplication, we can easily solve this question. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12, which comes in the numerator. And then we have 8 into 5, which is 40, which comes in the denominator. On further reducing, as we know that 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. So with the help of the table of 4, we reduce the fraction into 3 over 10, which is our answer. Now in question number 2, we have to multiply, and we have different parts. So starting with part A, we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 7. So 1 multiplied by 6 is 6 in the numerator, and 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 in the denominator. Now this fraction can be reduced with the help of the table of 3, because 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So 2 over 7 is our answer. Now in part B, we have 2 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4. So 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2 in the numerator, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 in the denominator. And we can reduce this fraction with the help of the table of 2, because 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, which is our answer. So 1 over 10 is our answer. In part C, we have 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 in the numerator, which is equals to 9, and 4 multiplied by 4 in the denominator, which is equals to 16. Now in part D, we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 5. So we have 6 multiplied by 1 is equals to 6 in numerator, and 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15 in the denominator. In part E, we have 2 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 4. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 in the numerator, and 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20 in the denominator. And we know that 10 into 1 is 10 and 10 into 2 is 20. So with the help of the table of 10, we have reduced this fraction to 1 over 2. In part F, we have 5 over 8 multiplied by 12 over 7. So 5 multiplied by 12 is 60 and 8 into 7 is 56. This can be further reduced with the help of the table of 2, because 2 3s are 6, 2 into 30 is 60, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 8 is 16, so 2 into 28 is 56. Now we can also further reduce 30 and 28 again with the table of 2, because 2 into 15 is 30 and 2 into 14 is 28. Now here the numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can divide reduce it further or represent it in the mixed number by dividing 15 by 14. So 14 into 1 is 14, and we have 1 in the remainder, so we have one whole number, 1 over 14, as our answer. Now we have a last question, question number 3, which has 4 parts. So starting with part A, we have 6 divided by 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. So 6 multiplied by 4 is equals to 24 in the numerator, divided by 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15 in the denominator. Again, we use division to change it into a mixed number or represent it into a mixed number form. So 15 into 1 is 15, and 9 will be a remainder. So we have one whole number, 9 over 15, as an answer if we divide 24 by 15. Now in part B, we have 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 2, and this is equals to 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 in the numerator, divided by 3 multiplied by 2 in the denominator. And if we cancel out this fraction, we have 2, because 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 into 2 is 12. So this convert it into a simple number. Now we have part C, in which 8 divided by 7 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 results in 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 in the numerator, and 7 multiplied by 3 is equals to 21 in the denominator. And if we divide 40 by 21, we have 21 into 1 is 21. We can go for 2 because it becomes greater than 40. So we have 19 as a remainder. So our answer becomes one whole number, 19 over 21, with the help of the division. Now in part D, we have 9 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. So we have 9 multiplied by 5 is equals to 45 in the numerator, and 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12 in the denominator. And if we divide 45 by 12, we have 3 whole number, 9 over 12, which is our answer. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.